Good morning, dear students. In today's video, we will read lesson 5, The Magic Pot. So let's read about the story of Subhadatta, who receives a very precious gift from the Yakshas, the magic pot. In Patliputra, there lived a poor woodcutter called Subhadatta. One day when Subhadatta was cutting wood in the forest, he saw four yakshas dressed in beautiful silk cloths and shining jewelry. If they get angry with me, they will curse me, Subhadatta thought, his legs trembling with fear. However, these yakshas were kind people. Who are you? They asked Subhadatta gently. I am Subhadatta, a woodcutter, my masters, he replied. The yakshas looked at his torn clothes and thin body and decided to help him. They said to him, work for us for 1 month. We will reward you well and you will never be hungry again. But what about my family? Subhadatta asked. Tonight we will send you to your wife in a dream, said the yakshas. You will tell her that you are safe and that you will return after a month. In the morning when she wakes up, and she will find money and clothes by her side. Then I will gladly work for you, my masters, said Subhadatta happily. Subhadatta went with the yakshas. They bathed in the river. He helped them dress in silks which they produced out of nowhere. Then he laid out the gold plates which too they produced magically. But there was no food. There is no food, my masters, he said to the yakshas. One of them smiled and said, we know that. Take this pot. And he gave Subhadatta a beautiful pot. Put your hand inside and make a wish. Whatever you want will come out of it. Subhadatta thought of delicious pulao and put his hand in the pot. Lo and behold, he had rice in his hand. Then he thought of meat and other tasty food. The dishes appeared before him. He put the food on the gold plates and set them before the yakshas. What a wonderful pot, he said after the meal. Subhadatta worked with the yakshas for a month. Then one day they said to him, you have served us well. We will give you anything you ask for. I will take the magic pot, my masters, said Subhadatta. If you break the pot, it will return to us. Ask for something else, said the yakshas. But I want the pot and nothing else, said Subhadatta. Then take it, said the yakshas, and gave him the pot. Subhadatta took the pot and went home. His wife and children were very happy to see him back. He showed them the magic pot. He drew out beautiful clothes and shining jewels from it. They were wonderstruck. Let us have a feast for all the neighbors. But don't tell them where the food comes from, said Subhadatta to his wife. So they invited 100 guests and served them the most delicious food they had ever eaten. You are just a poor woodcutter. Where did you get the money to buy such good food? One of the guests asked. Subhadatta grinned to himself but kept quiet. He was afraid that someone would steal his pot. But the neighbors were curious. They kept asking. At last, Subhadatta could not stop himself from boasting. He brought the pot out and said, "See, the Yakshas gave me this magic pot because I worked so hard. It gives me anything I want." Subhadatta started dancing with the pot in his hand. And then, horror of horrors, the pot slipped from his hand and broke. He quickly started picking up the pieces to put them together again. For a moment, everyone saw the whole pot and then it vanished. Subhadatta cried, "If only I had not been foolish enough to boast about the pot, it would still be here. What a fool I am!" But nothing could bring the pot back now. Subhadatta went looking for the Yakshas many times, but he never saw them again.